In this video, we'll generate the Taylor-Maclaurin series sum expansion of the low-order polylogarithm of x over 1 minus x squared. We begin with the data set. So array formula of the x values divided by the quantity 1 minus x raised to the power 2. And we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we use scatter chart. And show the trend line. Type polynomial. The degree 8. And for the legend or the label, use the equation and the legend position at the bottom. So here's our trend line and polynomial of the polylogarithm, low order. Next, we continue with the Taylor-Maclaurin series sum, which is the summation of a times x to the power n, where a equals n and n is from 1 to infinity, so we can start from 1 to infinity. And the body of a is array formula, which is equal to n. And the expansion, array formula, series sum of the x values raised to the power n, where n starts from 1 up to and incremented by 1. And the coefficient will be this range. And here's our trend line. But we need to show the trend line. So edit chart, show the trend line. The type same as polynomial and the degree same 8. For the label, use the equation. Now we'll calculate this polynomial regression coefficient using LINEST. To do that, we complete the LINEST matrix. So array formula of the x values raised to the power 0 to 8. Now we use LINEST, so this will be LINEST data y and data x. This will also be LINEST data y and data x. And let's compare. Coefficient of x to the 0, 3.13 times 10 to the minus 6, 2.2 times 10 to the minus 6. Coefficient of x, 0.707, 0.784. Coefficient of x squared, 11.04, 8.68. Coefficient of x cubed, 103. Rounded was 104, 76.2. Coefficient of x to the fourth, 645 and 483. Coefficient of x to the fifth, minus 2135 minus 1621. Coefficient of x to the sixth, 4137, 3150. Coefficient of x to the seventh, 4216 and minus 3252, negative 3252. And coefficient of x to the 8, 1820 and 1433. This completes the use of Taylor-Maclaurin series sum, LINEST polynomial regression to generate the low-order polylogarithm of 1 over 1 minus x squared and the series sum, Taylor-Maclaurin series sum.